I'm at a unit. Customer thinks the system's low on refrigerant, but I think I just heard the compressor trying to kick on. It might be a capacitor or something. Let's see. Woo-wee. Like the poison ivy. It's nice. Ford. Let's see if the capacitor's good. Check the refrigerant. Okay, well, customer thinks his refrigerant's low, so our standing pressure 142, and the compressor's not running. Check the capacitor to 35 microfarad for the compressor. We'll see if that doesn't start it up, if it's failed. Oh, this has to go to R22. Little hard start. I'm gonna clean this up. See where our pressures come from. Subcooling, 15 degrees. There, I have 11. Let's let this guy run. This thing, I mean, I'm not going to get an accurate subcool anyway because, I mean, look how dirty this is. I'm going to clean all this up. I mean, this thing's on borrowed time. I'm going to rip this out, rip that old boost out, rip that cap out, and put one cap. Let's see if that's what he wants to do anyway first before I do it. I was able to jump start it though. This thing's got high head pressure. It's going to have a high subcool. It's already at 14.3. Let me see what the customer wants to do. Maybe clean this guy up and then rebuild it. Some new components inside. Didn't want to contact her. 35.5. Hard, so let's see if it starts. Give it the old, how you doing, huh? That's what he says. Check our superheat. This coil for head pressure. This thing's been neglected. So is that, but I'm not here for that. Well, we're going to clean this before I do any kind of testing. I mean, right now I have a 14-degree subcool, but it's really like an 11. That superheat has to come down. But let me clean this thing up a little. This coil and see what my reading is. I mean, my pressure is crazy high on the high side, head pressure, but my 67 doesn't look that low, but I won't know until I clean this. Probably for a clean coil. It's wet. It's a wet coil. So we're gonna let it run for like 15 minutes. That's that system right there. they're gonna climb R22 subcool 11.8. Let's see what it does though. I'm gonna let it run for like 15 minutes. Went inside. It's this system has a TXV, even though it says metering device. I went inside and checked. There's a TXV in there, so I'm gonna check my subcooling. I don't expect the system to be even close to perfect. It wasn't running for, I don't know, a year or two. Well, we were able to get it jumped up with that hard start. I think any day, any time is borrowed time on the system. But let's see what the pressures equal out to in about 10 more minutes. 30 coil will do, and how misleading it is. So before I had, I don't know, 14 degrees subcool. I have a 55, it's been running 10 minutes, I have a 5 degree subcooling. All because of a clean coil. So, with that said, the homeowner does need a little R22. I'm gonna wrap it up. I got my subcool back to 14 degrees. Pressures are good. This guy's running well. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. This goes to show what a little hard start, new capacitor, and a clean coil will give you. And a little refrigerant, for that matter. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.